Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I'm so excited to show you my backpack purse I just received. After searching for a backpack purse, I finally found this one by Makes. I love that it's ideal for everyday use for work or for traveling. It can either be used as a backpack, as a side purse, and I so appreciate that it comes with this little cute wallet, that it's super ideal just in case you just want to bring your cell phone with you with some lipstick. This backpack purse is so spacious. You can literally fit your iPad, a notebook, your makeup bag, your sunglasses, and of course the adorable wallet that comes with it, and an umbrella. Not only is it spacious, but you're gonna see that it's high quality. I appreciate that it's waterproof and scratch resistance as well. It also comes with these two side pockets, which is ideal. I love putting my keys in there and my water. And the zipper pockets on the sides and the back is a plus. This is so spacious. You can even use it as a traveling bag where you can fit your clothes in here. I've been loving everything about it. And this comes in a variety of other beautiful colors as well. I promise this backpack purse from Makes will not disappoint you. It's spacious, it's high quality, and it's super stylish, but that's just my point of view.